find what we were looking for?
Oh.
Like, how could we not? There was so much. Like, it's a big showroom.
It was beautiful store, beautiful items. There was a vast range of brands and pricing as well.
Yeah.
We had to look after, you know, the budget.
I think it's like that one-stop shop where everything is there and they're all presented so beautifully. So some people, I know with my clients, some people are specifically, I love this brand, so we can go straight to that section and have a look at that. But right next door is another brand and they're all together and they're all quality. And in Australia, we are spoilt for choice with what we get. And you know, our kitchens and our homes are some of the largest around the globe. So we're very lucky to have that option, but I don't know that anyone would ever walk in there and not find exactly what they're looking for.